up guys, welcome back to Miss Wheeler. Today I have a really interesting car that Meet Badhalia, the owner of Vintage Car Affairs, restored to its former glory. It's a 1930 Ford Model A Phaeton and it's American made. When Meet found the car, it was sitting in a garage from ages in Uttar Pradesh and it was in a pretty bad shape. He took on the challenge of restoring the car to its former glory. It took him almost 3 years for the complete restoration and he had to import a lot of parts from America to keep it as original as possible. Look at it now, it's a real beauty and runs like a dream. This car was actually one of the most successful models of its time and it was also very affordable. What's really cool about this car is that it was way ahead of its time when it comes to features. Believe it or not, it even had cruise control back then. But what really sets it apart is the way the pedals are arranged. You see, most cars have the clutch, brake and accelerator pedals in that order, but this car is different. The pedals are arranged as clutch, accelerator and then brake. Back in the time, it was sold for less than $1,000 and is now worth around 35 lakhs. Can you believe it? So it really makes you wonder what other hidden gems might be out there waiting to be discovered. Thanks for tuning in and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more exciting content. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.